Tower, Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha on position 10, request startup for runway 05.
Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, startup approved.
Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, startup approved.
And we do the before start checklist.
Yes. Before start, parking brake.
It's set.
Takeoff speeds and thrust.
As discussed several times, V1 128, VR 128, V2 132, and flaps 50. Flex 50.
Yes. V1 128, VR 128, V2 132, flex 50. Windows.
Close. Close. Beacon on.
B for start checks, please.
Okay, we now start engine 2.
Right, clear. Go.
Engine 2 start. Maybe start engine 1.
Yes, number 1 clear.
Engine 1 start. Overlapping engine start. Ground cockpit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can remove the ground equipment, prepare the aircraft for taxi, show us a clear sign wherever you like, and thank you very much, have a good day, and we need to put the delay on the slot.
Thank you, bye-bye, have a nice flight.
Bye-bye, thank you. After start, that's good. Okay, then we do the flight control check.
Just a second.
Yeah, sure.
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, flight control check.
Full up. Full down. Neutral. Full left. Full right. Neutral.
And radar check.
Full left. Full right. Neutral.
Oh, we have the clear sign here, let's see, and then we do the after start checklist now. He gave us a clear sign now. Okay, after start checklist.
After start, anti-ice.
Is off.
Ecom status.
Is checked.
Pitch trim.
Pitch trim is 31.9%.
Radar trim.
Neutral.
After start checks complete.
Then request taxi.
And Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, request taxi.
Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, taxi holding point, runway 05, taxi Alpha.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, we will taxi holding point Alpha for runway 05.
Clear left side. Clear right side.
Yeah, the right side is still clear.
Yeah. Very good. So brake is checked.
I'll just show my sunglasses.
Yeah. So here's Alpha. Hold short.
Correct. Hold short of the runway.
Yeah.
We still need the clearance.
Yeah. You can double check if the cabin is ready. If you push the max already and the takeoff configuration, we can have a check and see. No, it's not yet ready. Okay.
Takeoff. Smoking on board is not permitted. This also applies to electronic cigarettes and tobacco heaters. Furthermore, you have to comply with the audience hands placards and crew member instructions.
Alpha, clear destination, apply route, SIRMI 1 Whiskey, squawk 1000.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, clear destination Düsseldorf via DME 1, Whiskey departure, runway 05, squawk 1000.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, correct, expect to enter runway 2 minutes due to runway inspection.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, that's copied.
So the clearance is now confirmed, huh? Squawk 1000.
Yes.
And SIRMI 1 whiskey departure is correct, huh? Yeah. Do you think he's already ready, and or do you think?
Let's have a look.
Let's have a look. Yeah, no, they're not yet ready.
No, they're not.
But they're almost done, I think.
Is it okay if I take like stim or?
Yeah, you can dim it. Sure, you fly. You do whatever you like. Whatever is good for you. Yeah, cabin is ready.
Lovely.
Then we can do the taxi checklist.
So, no change on the departure.
No.
Taxi, flight controls.
Checked.
Checked. Flap setting.
Conf 3.
Conf 3. Radar and predictive engine system.
It's on and auto.
ECAM memo.
Takeoff, no blow.
Cabin.
Ready.
Taxi checks complete.
Air Baltic 3 Papa, go ahead.
So can you send a ready message? We are fully ready with closed doors. Air Baltic 3 Papa, Quebec.
Of course, sir, I will send a ready message. Keep you advised.
Thank you.
Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, backtrack, line up, runway 05.
Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, backtrack and line up, runway 05 approved.
Okay, so approach pass is clear so far.
Oh, and the right side is clear too.
Thank you. And then we can do the lineup checklist.
Lineup, takeoff runway.
05. Yeah, will be 05 full length in just a moment.
Yes, will be 05 full length. Correct. TCAS.
TARA.
Pikes 1 and 2.
On.
Lineup checks complete.
Thank you. So after all our calculations, just double check that we did everything right. We're now on runway 05 for the takeoff.
Yes.
We have the takeoff calculation according what the ATIS said, and we did it with a variable wind, and then we took the 8 knots of tailwind.
Yep.
And then we have to make sure that we don't retract the flaps
yes.
after we did the 2 turns, huh?
Yes, exactly.
That's my summary.
Same for me.
Okay.
And if he is giving us a direct heading to the north, we have to pay attention to the rising terrain.
Yes, that's what we do. And yeah, and then I will ask about the limit, the speed limit. Maybe we can fly our own speed. Then we can clean up the airplane earlier.
Maybe. Yeah.
And then we can continue if you want with green dot speed and expedite climb or so. Yeah, because of the obstacles. So then we did everything, huh?
That's runway 05.
This says 05. Follow the yellow line. And we
Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, runway 05, clear for takeoff, wind 300 degrees, 9 knots.
Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, runway 05, cleared for takeoff.
Okay, so the wind is still in our calculation limit.
Yes.
Then we did everything, huh?
We did.
You're ready for the takeoff?
Ready.
Very good.
You have terrain, I have weather. That's good.
That's good. Whatever you prefer.
I would say terrain too.
Yeah, for the first it makes sense. Huh?
Later on.
So we are not 100% straight. So take off, and you have control.
I have control. Man flex 50, SAS runway, auto thrust blue.
Thrust set. 100 knots.
Checked.
V1, rotate. Positive climb, gear up. Gear up.
Nav.
Roger, good day, Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha. We are passing 400 and we're climbing 5,000.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, split radar identified, climb to flight level 200.
Climbing flight level 200, Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha.
Thrust climb blue, auto thrust, and altitude 5,500 in magenta.
Yeah.
And Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, is there any speed limit for us today during the departure?
Speed restrictions?
Understood, no speed restriction, confirm 8 Romeo Alpha?
That's correct.
Thank you very much. And 8 Romeo Alpha also confirmed that the climb to 20,000 is an unrestricted climb.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, unrestricted climb.
Okay, unrestricted climb is copied to 8 Romeo Alpha.
Open climb, all blue, 20,000 feet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is it okay for you if I remove the speed constraint?
Sure. So that means no speed constraints, no altitude constraints.
No.
Flaps 1.
Speed is checked. Flaps 1.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, turn right direct to Gorpa.
Direct Gorpa, Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha.
Right. Ich gebe mal eben Heading.
Yes.
So. And then
Heading.
right turn. And then we do it again.
So Gorpa, we have to check the terrain, but
Yeah.
that should be fine.
I still have everything inside for the time being.
Yep. Same for me.
Okay.
Flaps
now we get
0.
Speed is checked. Flaps 0.
Nav and expedite climb.
Yeah, expedite climb. So.
Thank you, expedite climb.
Yeah.
Nav.
Rednose 2846, localizer.
Rednose 2846, contact split tower 124, decimal
So could you look up
675.
what
124,
altitude of flight level we should have over at Gorpa?
Yeah, I think it looks like right now we're doing not too bad.
Yeah.
We have to. There's 8,400 is the
Yeah, that should
is
be
the
fine.
MSA. But if you continue climbing like this,
Yeah.
we're still over water here. So just almost no obstacles here.
You'll keep terrain, I take
Yes,
weather?
yes, and we're good on that. If you continue like that, we'll have 884 over the airport. So
Yes, that's
this
good.
And the high terrain starts after the airport. But still, color-coded, it's still fine for the first. So the really high stuff is further away. So what I see on that routing is 4, 9, 5,000, 6,000. Yeah, so we're very good here. So it's all good. We're over all the obstacles which are coming up in a moment, and all good.
Thank you. And, yeah, and the weather is also fine.
Yeah.
So 84 is the grid, I see that here.
Yeah,
and if we are above that,
yeah,
I think we can take.
Yes, that's correct. So there's the airport here.
Yeah.
And after the airport, yeah, we're good.
Banja Luka 136050.
Yeah.
36050.
So altitude
fine.
manage.
Yeah.
Thanks. Climb.
You're welcome.
Engine not, oh, that's fine.
Yeah, we're good. Yeah. So I just looked into the, you have the weather too, it's all fine, there's nothing. It's good. So then I switch again terrain on ND.
Yeah, thanks.
This is Turkish 905 Papa Tango on guard.
Yeah.
Copy that, we are gonna try 13630, thank you.
So maximum elevation here is 2,400 feet or so right now, and we're at 10,000. So it's good. And now we're in that MSA sector of 8.4. We're well above that. That's all good.
Set Standard.
Standard is cross-checked and passing flight level 102 now.
Checked. I think we should wait with the cabin and seatbelts a bit.
Yeah, I agree. Do you need TRAD nav or something like that? Okay, we remove it. So this goes away. Secondary copy active. Red nav is gone. And
there might be some clouds, but I think we are fine of them because we see them.
Yeah, it looks good. If I look here, it's all fine. Okay, and optimum level is 365. Cruise planned is 380. Recommended max is 391.
Thank you. Autopilot 2.
Shades. And so our arrival fuel, according to the calculation, would be 14 minutes of extra fuel plus alternate plus 30 minutes holding. So
perfect.
We're very good here. That's fine. So that means we will be landing in Düsseldorf with about 1 hour and 14 minutes. That's good. Not too bad, huh? So what do you think about a release of our cabin crew? Shall we do that or shall we wait?
Yeah, we could try. Yeah.
Okay.
Seatbelts auto.
Yeah. Seatbelts are auto now. Very good. And what would be your requested cruise level? What do you suggest? Shall we take the 380?
Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, heading 350 for separation.
Heading 350, Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha.
Yeah, we can do that for a short while and then we have to look and check again.
Heading, let's see.
Due to weather.
Yeah.
Open climb heading.
Yeah, that's
good evening. Jet time 991, descending 160.
So you said 380 is good for you?
Yeah, I think so. The optimum 365 is, should be fine.
350 according to the radar, yeah, maybe we need to turn later.
Exactly,
for a moment, that's
what I meant. So the moment is fine, but maybe in about 30 miles you have to turn left again.
Level 280.
Flight level 280, 8 Romeo Alpha.
Flight level 280.
Yeah.
So, and for the minimum enroute altitude in case of emergency descent, you see here, if I zoom out a bit, 10.5, 14.5. So 11 should be fine. If we get a shortcut, we should consider 15.
Yeah, that's correct. I agree. 10.5.
So 15.
Yeah.
And then we will look up where we are.
Yeah.
And
then we
act accordingly.
We think about.
Good.
Yeah, that's correct. So that makes sense to me. This is the highest obstacles. Yeah. So we are a little bit more in the east than on the way down.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so the obstacles are less. So, okay.
So
very good.
What do you think? I would like to turn left heading 330 because of the weather front.
Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, there is some weather ahead, so we have to turn back to the left again, heading 330 or so.
Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, roger, then stop climb at flight level 200.
Climbing level 200, stopping climb level 200. 8 Romeo Alpha and confirm left 330 is approved?
Yes, it is approved.
Okay, we turn left heading 330. And we stop climb at flight level 200, Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha.
That's correct, due to traffic.
Yeah, no problem.
That time 991.
Speed, vertical
stop
speed,
descent flight level 210.
Stop descent flight level 210, clear time 991.
Yeah, it makes sense. We don't want to fly through that weather.
No.
Not the best idea.
Especially now that the cabin is released.
No, not a good idea. $1,000.
Thanks.
So there's one traffic, -2, and another one +53, yeah? Yeah, we got the delay report. It's slot. That's correct.
Okay. All-star.
Yeah. What about the work on the ground? Was it okay? Yeah, they did a good job, huh?
They did a very good job, yeah.
Yeah, all fine. Huh? So parking position was walking. And yeah, they did everything good. No complaints, huh? No.
Exactly.
Yeah, the delay code is correct.
It's good that we sent a error message, otherwise...
Yeah, otherwise we,
yes.
Yeah, we wouldn't be in the air now, huh? Yeah, but it was okay. So the problem was we didn't know which runway. Huh? He said it could be 2-3, it could be 5. Yeah, and tailwind then on both runways due to the variable wind. And so we calculated this several times, and the wind changed according to the ATIS.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we prepared both runways, and at the end it was runway 5. But anyhow, so it's but it was okay, yeah. So
yeah, it was
all fine, everything inside.
Just a second, I think this is our limiting traffic right now.
Yes.
So either I would just further left or request climb after we.
Yeah, I think as soon as the traffic is gone, I think we are
selected.
We are good. Yeah. If you look outside, it's not too bad. I think we just want to continue the climb, huh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That makes sense. I have the traffic inside.
1,000 feet.
You too, yeah, that's good. Yeah, you increase the speed, that's good. Makes sense. If you're faster, then we can just change. Maybe you can even add more speed. Then we can change the speed into altitude once we get the clearance to climb.
Exactly.
Maybe you can even increase if you want, even more.
The time 991, proceed direct to Airbull, Sierra Papa 401 next.
Yeah.
To Airbull and then Sierra Papa 401, shut down 991.
Okay.
So.
And Eurowings Eight Romeo Alpha, we are clear of the traffic and we request further climb.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, unable to approve, proceed direct to Gorpa, call you back in a second.
Direct to Gorpa, Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha.
Let's see, according to the radar, this is okay,
yeah.
But if you look here, see, this looks like this is not a factor for the moment.
Yeah, but now here's a little bit of red.
The time 991,
I asked her, I need to climb to the weather.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, climb to flight level 300.
Climbing level 300, 8 Romeo Alpha.
Okay, that makes sense, and then we can just
climb.
If you reduce the speed to 250, then we can clear.
For 606,
that makes all sense.
radar identified, continuous clear.
That's clear, thank you. Check
that's good. Yeah.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, contact Zagreb radar 132.125.
132.125, Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Engine ATI is on.
Engine ATI is on.
Zagreb Control Good day, Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha 214, and we're climbing 300 inbound Gorpa.
Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha, добрый вечер, identify climb flight level 340.
Climb 340, Eurowings 8 Romeo Alpha.
Flight level
340 level.
Requested level is 380 for 8 Romeo Alpha.
Roger.
So according to the radar, it shouldn't be too bad, huh?
Shouldn't be, no.
No.
See there.
Yeah. Good. Almost
just
clear.
Some bumps.
Nice.
All right.
Engine ATI is off, confirmed.
Correct. Engine ATI is off.
Okay, it's off now. Very good. Clear of the weather. On the way to the destination.
Speed, vertic speed.
Yes, sir. Good. Yeah, then we're done for the time. Huh?
We're done.
For the time being. We can go home.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Split. 8 is Information Sierra. Time 1652. Runway 05 for arrival and departure. Expect ILS Zulu approach. Runway 05 condition report at 0326. Runway condition code 666. Runway condition dry. Transition level 110. Wind runway 05 variable 8 knots. Cover OK. Temperature 25. Dew point 16. QNH 1016. Confirm information Sierra on first contact. This is Split 8 is information Sierra. Time 1652. Runway 05 for arrival and departure. Expect ILS Zulu approach. Runway 05 condition report at 0326. Runway condition code 666. Runway condition dry.